Verb Grammar, Mastering the Fundamentals of Verbs in English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a topic that forms the backbone of English sentences, verb grammar. Whether you're just starting to learn English or looking to brush up on your grammar skills, you're in the right place. 1. What are verbs? Let's start with the basics. Verbs are action words that show what someone or something is doing. They bring life to sentences and help us understand actions, states, or occurrences. From running to reading, from thinking to sleeping, verbs cover a wide range of actions and situations. 2. Types of verbs. Not all verbs are created equal. There are several types of verbs, each serving a specific purpose. We'll explore action verbs, linking verbs, helping verbs, and more. Understanding these distinctions is crucial to constructing meaningful sentences. 3. Verb tenses. Time to talk about tenses. Verbs change form based on when an action takes place. We'll break down the past, present, and future tenses, and also touch on perfect and progressive aspects. By the end of this section, you'll have a clear picture of how to express time accurately. 4. Subject-Verb Agreement. Here's where subject and verb harmony comes into play. A solitary subject necessitates an individual verb, whereas a subject in the plural demands a corresponding plural verb. We'll navigate through tricky scenarios, such as collective nouns and indefinite pronouns, to make sure your verbs always match your subjects. 5. Tips for using verbs effectively. As we wrap up, let's go over some golden rules for using verbs effectively. We'll cover active versus passive voice, eliminating vague verbs, and injecting action into your writing. These tips will empower you to communicate with precision and impact. Conclusion. And thus, you now possess a thorough manual to become a master of English verb grammar. Remember, verbs are the engines that power our sentences, so a strong grasp of their nuances is essential. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow language enthusiasts. Subscribe for more grammar guides, language tips, and engaging content. Thanks for watching,